Hello, my name is Alessio Bernardelli and I'm one of the field development officers at NGFL Cymru. I'm here today to show you some of our great developing thinking tools that we have created over the years and that we're now making available to everybody to download from our website. So I'll show you an example of one of these thinking tools, and then I will show you how to get them from our website. This is one I made recently, and it's kind of an alternative to the odd one out activity, which I called choose one out. So if we run the presentation, you are presented with 16 images, and in this case, this activity is about adaptation. And here you've got 4 question marks, which when clicked, will reveal a question. So say we are clicking on this question here, I'm asked to choose 3 organisms which feed on animals. So for example, I could choose the shark, the tiger, and the Venus flytrap. At this point, the learners have the opportunity to be able to choose out of these 3 which one is the odd one out. So perhaps somebody might choose the shark because it's the only one that is adapted to live in water. If I want to reset, I can click on the reset button, click on the cross, and then start with another question. Now I need to choose 3 organisms that are adapted to live in water. If you want to know how to edit this template and make it your own, there are instructions here, but it's very easy to put the images you want and also to change the questions that are relevant to your topic. So if you go onto our website and go to the good practice section, here you got new tools to support the development of thinking. Here, if you are not logged in, you will have a sample that you can download and use. However, if you want to use the whole of the resources that we have installed, you need to register to our website. Registration is very easy. Just click on the register button down here and fill in the form. And then once you're registered, log in. Find that page again in the good practice section and tools to support developing thinking. And here you find a wealth of many different interactive resources that you can use with your students. So I hope you will enjoy using our thinking tools and that you will find them a great asset to your teaching.